Good afternoon. Today, under the English activity, we are going to conduct an activity or a play. It is called Jam. Just a minute. The aim of this activity is to inculcate or develop speaking skill and ability to respond quickly and ability to correlate the concept with the real life. How we will play this? Let me tell you the rules. Each student will be asked to choose any number from 1 to 16, and each number has been assigned with a word taken from the chapter. And the student will have to come here and speak for 30 to, we don't need what you can say much material. Only thing is that we have a list of the words and some slips. So over to Prachi to distribute each student a slip, and you just distribute. Quickly you just distribute. Let me tell you by the time that what are the words written: perpetual, wonder, grinding, lineage, hazards, labor, vicious cycle, carelessness, glibly, scrounging, Sahib-e Alam, rag picker, and theme and sub-theme related to the chapter. So let us find out that how the students are going to conduct, and it will be now the regular activity. Now you just touch it over to you, and you just call any student or.
Good afternoon to all. Today we are going to have activity Jam, and under this activity, every student has given a check, and on the basis of the check, every student has to speak under 1 minute on that topic. So, firstly, the first word is hazards with number 6. The student who has given the check can come here and speak some words.
Okay. So here the girl who has got the number 6 is coming here, and she will speak on the word given to her.
Under the activity of hazard, I'll say something about the word
Hazard.
hazard. The word hazard means loss. In this chapter, loss spring, the many workers and Mukesh working in Bengal industry in high temperature and
In Firozabad.
in Firozabad at high temperature and without the light. They lost their brightness of their eyes and looking on. They suffered many hazards.
Okay, so this is the use of hazard. Okay, thank you. Who is having the number 2 will come here and will speak on the word wonder.
Good afternoon, all of you. Under the activity of Jam, just a minute, I have a word, wonder. Wonder, in this chapter, the wonder, the garbage has different meanings for parents and also for the children. For parents, the garbage is just a means of survival, but for the children, it is enjoyment and also the wrapped in wonder. In this chapter, the children are the feel the garbage is enjoyment, and when the garbage is wrapped in wonder for children, because when they are scrounging the garbage, sometimes they found a 10 rupee note or coin. That's why the garbage is wonder for the children. Thank you.
Excellent. Now, next, please.
14. Red picking.
Okay. Number 14, rag picking. So now the student will come. This activity will also help you to just revise the concept. Yes, rag picking. Speak.
In this activity,
I want to speak
I want to speak
on the
the
word.
word red. In this chapter, Sahib-e Alam is a red picker, and
Where did he live?
he is lived in Delhi,
Simapuri area.
Simapuri, which is situated on the periphery of the Delhi.
Very good. And where did he come from? Very good. Have you read any other lesson related to rag picking in your class 7? There was a lesson. Anybody else? Children at work with the character Velu. Good. Thank you. Stop.